Hello everyone. Now that we've got most of Wednesday behind us, let's see what this evening's weather conditions hold in store. First, a look at our satellite loop, and it's been a cloudy day over the west coast with showers moving in over the area ahead of a weak cold front. Now, this cold front has also resulted in bergwind conditions into the Eastern Cape, and that allowed for some very warm weather, especially near the coastline of that province. It also became very windy across the Karoo this afternoon, some places getting up to about 60 kilometers per hour. Now, for tonight, things are going to remain quite cloudy over the far western parts of South Africa. We're still expecting showers in the area. Otherwise, it's going to be a dry evening for the rest of South Africa, mainly clear onto the Highveld and clear conditions along that east coast. On Thursday, we're expecting it to be cloudy, especially for the first half of the day over much of the Western Cape. Morning showers in places near the coastline. Otherwise, cooler air will be in circulation over the western interior in association with that cold front. Much cooler over the Eastern Cape. Up in the north, on the other hand, lots of sunshine expected, a couple degrees warmer for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Now, there's still up to a 60% chance for showers around the peninsula, including Cape Town, the adjacent mountainous areas, and up the western coastline to about Langebaan. North of that, isolated showers in the forecast, and we could still see a couple of drops of rain reaching Calvinia and Sutherland in the Northern Cape. Dry roads, on the other hand, expected across the rest of South Africa for your drive home this evening. Now, Durban is expected to remain clear and dry, an overnight low of 15 degrees with light northeasterly winds. But by tomorrow, those winds are going to turn to the southwest. They'll be fresh at times in the afternoon, and at the same time, things will become cloudy with a chance of rain, especially in the late afternoon and evening. Now, taking a look at winds, and we're still expecting fresh northwesterly winds around the Cape Peninsula for tonight. Those winds will start moderating into tomorrow morning, while along the eastern coastline, we're going to see a southwesterly wind pushing through from the Eastern Cape, reaching KwaZulu-Natal. Those winds will be fresh at times. They're also going to be pushing in the moisture as well as the chances of rain. Now, we're expecting minimum temperatures to be cooler overnight over the far western parts of South Africa. 3 degrees for Daar, Sutherland dropping down to -2. A very mild evening on the other hand for Pretoria up in the north. 11 degrees will be your minimum temperature early tomorrow. And as we look ahead to the afternoon hours of Thursday, it's going to be very hot for some parts of the Lowveld, reaching the lower 30s. Pleasantly warm over northern KwaZulu-Natal, but here we can see cooler air affecting southern and western South Africa, upper teens and lower 20s for most areas. A look ahead now to Friday, and it's going to be a cloudy, cooler and wet day over much of KwaZulu-Natal. Mainly clear for Bloemfontein, temperatures in the lower 20s for the central interior. And on Saturday, it's going to be sunny and warm over the Western Cape, isolated thundershowers for Uppington, and we're still expecting cloudy weather for the Lowveld.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com